Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb yakifu to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fa'ilun mudari, present tense. Fa'ilun mudari, present continuous tense. Fa'ilun mudari, this is a form of verb in Arabic that one can use to talk about an action, a happening at the moment, or something that we do on daily basis, like going to work, or going to school, or going to mosque. As I am teaching now, the only form of verb in Arabic that I can use to talk about what I am doing now is called fi'ilun mudari. The question is, how do we change the verb yakifu to suit the pronouns below? Yakifu simply means he is standing, and he in Arabic is huwa, being the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb yakifu to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb yakifu to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach alifun. So the verb yakifu will now become akifu, which means I am standing. Ithnan, number two. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb yakifu to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach nunun. So the verb yakifu will now become nakifu, which means we are standing. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb yakifu to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. So the verb yakifu will now become takifu, which means you are standing. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb yakifu to suit anti? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. Not only that, then you attach yaun and nunun carrying fataha to the last letter. Remember, once yaun is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that yaun is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb yakifu will now become takifina, which means you are standing. You can only use this to talk to a single female person. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb yakifu to suit here? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. So the verb yakifu will now become takifu, which means she is standing. Remember, we used yaun to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mujabun, positive. Manfiyun, negative. Mujab, positive. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means something is happening. Manfiyun, negative. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means nothing is happening. For instance, wahid, number one. Yakifu, he is standing. Ma yakifu, he is not standing. Ithnan, number two. Takifu, she is standing. Ma takifu, she is not standing. Thalatha, number three. Akifu, I am standing. Ma akifu, I am not standing. Arba'a, number four. Nakifu, we are standing. Ma nakifu, we are not standing. Hamsa, number five. Takifu, you are standing, talking to a single male person. Ma takifu, you are not standing. Sitta, number six. Takifina, you are standing, talking to a single female person. Ma takifina, you are not standing. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid, number one. Aina yakiful mudarris ya Khalid. Aina yakiful mudarris يا خالد أين يقف المدرس؟ Where is the teacher? Standing. يا خالد خالد. أين يقف المدرس? Where is the teacher standing? يا خالد خالد. Now the answer. يقف المدرس في الفصل. يقف المدرس في الفصل. The teacher is standing in the classroom. يقف المدرس في الفصل. The teacher is standing in the classroom. Remember that fi is an agent of kasra. So its grammatical duty is to mark the last letter of any word in Arabic appearing after it with kasra. I repeat. A fi is an agent of kasra, and its grammatical duty is to mark with kasra the last letter of any word in Arabic appearing after it, as we have it in fil fasli, a lamun carrying kasra caused by fi. So يقف المدرس في الفصل. The teacher is standing in the classroom. اثنان. Number 2. أين تقف المدرسة يا زينب؟ أين تقف المدرسة يا زينب؟ أين تقف المدرسة? Where is the female teacher standing? يا زينب زينب. Now the answer. تقف المدرسة في المكتبة. تقف المدرسة في المكتبة. تقف المدرسة. The female teacher is standing في المكتبة in the library. ثلاثة. Number 3. أين تقف يا أخي؟ أين تقف يا أخي؟ أين تقف? Where are you standing? يا أخي, my brother. Know the answer. أقف أمام المسجد. أقف أمام المسجد. أقف, I am standing. أمام المسجد, in front of the mosque. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 4. Number 4. أين تقفين يا أختي؟ أين تقفين يا أختي؟ أين تقفين? Where are you standing? يا أختي, my sister. أين تقفين? Where are you standing? يا أختي, my sister. Know the answer. أقف أمام البيت. أقف أمام البيت. I am standing in front of the house. 5. Number 5. أين تقفان? أين تقفان? Where are you both standing? Talking to Khalid and Hashim. You can equally use the same form of the verb to talk to Khadija and Zainab. Know the answer. نقف خلف المستشفى. نقف خلف المستشفى. نقف, we are standing. خلف المستشفى, behind the hospital. نقف, we are standing. خلف المستشفى, behind the hospital. 6. Number 6. أين تقفون يا إخوة؟ أين تقفون يا إخوة؟ أين تقفون? Where are you all standing? يا إخوة, brothers. Talking to a group of male persons. Know the answer. نقف في القاعة. نقف في القاعة. So نقف, we are standing. في القاعة, in the hall. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 7. Number 7. أين تقفن يا أخوات؟ أين تقفن يا أخوات؟ أين تقفن? Where are you all standing? يا أخوات, sisters. Asking a group of female persons. Know the answer. نقف في المختبر. نقف في المختبر. نقف, we are standing. في المختبر, in the laboratory. نقف, we are standing. في المختبر, in the lab. 8. Number 8. أريد أن أقف إطار الطريق. أريد أن أقف إطار الطريق. أريد أن أقف, I want to stand. إطار الطريق, by the roadside. أريد أن أقف, I want to stand. إطار الطريق, by the roadside. Remember that an is an agent of fataha. So its grammatical duty is to mark the last letter of any fi'l al-mudari appearing after it, as we have it in an aqifa. An aqifa, to stand. أريد أن أذهب. أريد أن أجلس. أريد أن أكتب. The same principle is applicable. 8. Number 8. نريد أن نقف تحت الشجرة. نريد أن نقف تحت الشجرة. نريد أن نقف, we want to stand. تحت الشجرة, under the tree. نريد أن نقف, we want to stand. تحت الشجرة, under the tree. 9. Number 9. أريد أن أقف داخل المدرسة. أريد أن أقف داخل المدرسة. أريد أن أقف, I want to stand. داخل المدرسة, inside the school. أريد أن أقف, I want to stand. داخل المدرسة, inside the school. 9. Number 9. نريد أن نقف خارج المسجد. نريد أن نقف خارج المسجد. نريد أن نقف. We want to stand. خارج المسجد. Outside the mosque. نريد أن نقف. We want to stand. خارج المسجد. Outside the mosque. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Now the comparison between ماضٍ past tense and مضارع present tense. واحد number 1 هو he. وقف he has stood or he stood. يقف he is standing or he stands. اثنان number 2 here she. وقفت she has stood or she stood. تقف she is standing or she stands. ثلاثة number 3 أنا I. وقفت I have stood or I stood. أقف I am standing or I stand. أربعة number 4 نحن we. وقفنا we have stood or we stood. نقف we are standing or we stand. خمسة number 5 أنت you, referring to a single male person. وقفت you have stood or you stood. تقف you are standing or you stand. ستة number 6 أنت you, referring to a single female person. وقفت you have stood or you stood. تقفين you are standing or you stand. سبعة number 7 أنتم all of you, referring to a group of male persons. وقفتم you have all stood or you all stood. تقفون you are all standing or you all stand. ثمانية number 8 أنتن all of you, referring to a group of female persons. وقفتن you have all stood or you all stood. تقفنا you are all standing or you all stand. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to click the link below to download any of my books right here at the comment section. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.